Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log out from Badoo app. Badoo is a popular online dating and social networking app that helps people meet new friends, chat and build real connection. It allows users to discover people nearby from different locations around the world. Logging out is useful if you're using a shared device, switching accounts, or just want to keep your account secure. First, you need to open to the Badoo app on your phone and make sure you are logged in already. And over here on the bottom right, we can see there's a profile icon. Select to the profile icon. And over here, when you reach to the profile interface on the top right corner again, we can see there's a settings icon. Tap on the settings icon and scroll all the way to the bottom until you find the account. Over here, just below the privacy, we can see the account. Select to the account. And over here you can either hide your account or log out. So if you want to log out, you can select log out and it will directly log out from your account. And that is it. You've successfully logged out of Badoo. If this video has helped you, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching. And if you still have troubling logging out your Badoo app, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.